Commencing in the holy name of Almighty Allah, the Merciful and the Beneficent. Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to solve the numerical problem of chapter number 8, which is about waves. Waves exercise numerical problem. So let's start properly. In the first numerical, it is stated that what are the wavelength of a television station which transmits vision on 500 megahertz and sound on 505 megahertz. So what are the wavelength? In this question, we have to calculate the wavelength of a television station which transmits the vision, mean video signal in 500 megahertz and sound signal in 505 megahertz respectively. Take a speed of electromagnetic wave is 3 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second. So, dear student, the speed of electromagnetic wave is known to us, which is the speed of light, and its value is 3 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second. Now, to solve this numerical, first of all, we have to collect the data from the given statement. Is question number 1. Given data. What is given? Frequency of vision, mean video frequency. Frequency of vision is, say suppose this is represented by f1 and this is how much? 500 megahertz. Now audio frequency, let's suppose this is represented by f2 and this is equal to 505 megahertz. Also, the speed of electromagnetic wave is given, which is equal to the speed of light. See, this is equal to 3 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second. Now, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the wavelengths. So, required is wavelength of vision signal is, let's suppose, represented by lambda 1. This is to be calculated, and the wavelength of sound signal, sound wave, is to be calculated. Say suppose this is represented by lambda 2. So this is the given data. 500 megahertz is the frequency of vision signal, mean video signal. 505 megahertz is the frequency of sound, audio signal, and electromagnetic wave travel with the speed of light. So its speed is represented by c, which is a constant, and its value is 3 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second. We have to calculate wavelengths of video signal as well as wavelength of audio signal transmitted by the TV station. So how can we calculate? These are very simple formula. We know that speed of sound V is given by f lambda, V equal to f lambda. This is a general formula. So what will be lambda? Lambda will be equal to V divided by f. Now lambda 1 will be equal to lambda 1, this one. This will be the frequency of video signal or vision signal. Lambda 1 will be equal to, instead of this V, we will put the value C here. Lambda 1 will be equal to C divided by f1. So putting values, we get lambda 1 equal to, what is the value of C? 3 multiplied 10 power 8 divided by, what is the value of f1? f1 is 500 megahertz. 500. So lambda 1 equal to simply 5. This is 500 megahertz. So its value will be equal to 500 multiplied 10 power 6 hertz. Now we can simply calculate this value as 3 divided by 500, which is equal to 0.6 meter. 3 divided by 500 multiplied 10 power 8 minus 6, so it will be equal to 10 power 2. So this is approximately equal to 0.6 meter. If we convert this to centimeter, we will get lambda 1 is equal to 60 centimeter. This will be the frequency of fusion. Now, wavelength of fusion. How can we calculate the wavelength, second wavelength? Similarly, lambda 2 will be equal to C divided by F2. Now, putting value, C is 3 multiplied 10 power 8 divided by what is F2? F2 is 505 megahertz. So 505 multiplied 10 power 6 hertz. Megahertz means 10 power 6. This can be written as 500 multiplied 10 power 6 hertz, and this will be equal to 505 multiplied 10 power 6 hertz. So by calculating this value, so we will perform the calculation as 3 divided by 505. So we get 0.594. Lambda 2 is equal to 0.594 meter. If you want to convert this wavelength into centimeter, we have to multiply this term with 100. So we will get lambda 2 is equal to 59.4 centimeter. So these two wavelengths are required, and we calculate this very simply. Question number 2 is also similar to this. In question number 2, it is stated that a person on the seashore observed that 48 will reach the shore in 1 minute. A person observed that 48 waves are reaching to the shore in 1 minute. If the wavelength of the wave is 10 meter, the wavelength is given in this case, then find the velocity of wave. So number of wave is given, time is given, wavelength is given, we have to calculate the velocity. How can we calculate? Question number 2. Given data is what is given? Number of waves, how many waves reach to the shore? 48. And how much time? Time is 1 minute, and this is equal to 60 seconds. If the wavelength of wave is 10 meter, wavelength of wave is also given lambda. This is equal to how much? 10 meter. What is required? We have to calculate what? Speed. V is to be calculated. So let me summarize this once again. Dear student, in this numerical problem, a person, it is stated that a person is standing on seashore and he observed, he counted the wave number by number, and he observed that 48 waves are coming to the shore in how much time? In 1 minute. So 1 minute is converted into second, which is 60 seconds. If the wavelength of the wave is 10 meter, how can we calculate the speed of wave? So very simply, we can calculate the speed of wave as by applying formula for speed v equal to f lambda. Simply putting the value of f and lambda here. Now how can we calculate f? From this number of wave in time we can calculate f. Say suppose this is equation number 1. Here f will be equal to what? Number of waves divided by time. Number of waves is how much? 48. 48 divided by what is time? 60. So by performing this calculation, 48 divided by 60, let me calculate this value. 48 divided by 60, we get 0.8 hertz. So frequency is how much? 0.8 hertz is the frequency. Now putting this value 0.8 Hz here and the value of lambda is 10 meter, we will get speed of the wave v is equal to if lambda, if is 0.8 multiplied by lambda is 10, so speed will be 0.8 multiplied by 10, this is equal to how much? 80 meter per second. This is numerical number 2. Very simply we can calculate the speed of wave if lambda and frequency is given to us. Now in question number 3, it is stated that in a ripple tank 500 waves pass to a certain point in 10 seconds. Again here number of wave is given and time is given. If the speed of the wave is 3.5 meter per second, here the speed is given, then find the wavelength of the wave. So let me write the required data for question number 3. Let me rub this. Question number 3. What is it given? It is given that in a ripple tank 500 waves pass to a certain point in 10 minutes. So number of waves, how much waves are there? 500. In how much time these are passed through a certain point? In 10 seconds. What we have to calculate here, the speed of the wave is given. If the speed of wave is 3.5 meter per second, so speed of wave is represented by v. This is equal to 3.5 meter per second. So this is the given data. This is second. Symbol is. What we have to calculate? Find the wavelength of the wave. So required is, in this question we have to calculate wave length. So let's start the solution. Very simply, by applying the formula for the speed of sound, we know that v equal to f lambda or lambda equal to v divided by f. So putting values here, what is the value of v? It is given that v is 3.5 meter per second. And how can we calculate f here? So from this number of u and time we can calculate f is, say suppose this is again equation 1, and similarly f is equal to what? Number of wave, which is 500, and divided by time, which is 10 seconds. So we will get f equal to 50 hertz. Putting this value of f here, we will get lambda is equal to, what is speed? 3.5 divided by f is 50 hertz. So 3.5 divided by 50, simply we can calculate the value of lambda as lambda will be equal to 0.07 meter, or in centimeter. If we want to convert this value of length into centimeter, we have to simply multiply this number with 100. So we will get what? 7 centimeter. This is the required value of wavelength of the wave. Again, in question number 4, it is stated that a string of guitar 1.3 meter long vibrate with 4 notes, 2 of them at the two ends. Find the wavelength and speed of the wave in string if it vibrates at 500 hertz. So the frequency is given, number of notes is given, and the length of the string is given. In this case, we have to calculate both the wavelength and the speed of the wave. So very simply, from the stationary waves equation, we can calculate this. Let me rub this. Question number 4. First of all, we have to collect the data from the statement. In question number 4, it is given that length of the string is 1.3 meter, frequency is 500 Hz, and stationary wave are produced. Given data. What is given? Say suppose this is a string. And there are 4 nodes. 2 at the 2 sides. These are nodes, and 2 nodes are here. So a wave like this will be generated in this string, and similarly this will bounce back or reflect. So these are stationary wave. One node is this one, the other node is this one. So how many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 nodes. And what is the length of the string? Length of the string is given, which is equal to 1.3 meter, and its frequency is 500 Hz. So length from here to here is how much? 1.3 meter. This is the length of the string, and this type of stationary wave are generated in this string. So in given data, let's write length L of the string is 1.3 meter, and frequency is 500 Hz. A string of guitar 1.3 meter long vibrates with 4 notes, 2 at the each, and find the wavelength and speed of the wave if the string vibrated that much. So these two things are given. We have to calculate the required wavelength and speed. Lambda is required and speed is required. Let me write it here. Speed of the wave, V. So solution. How can we calculate the wavelength? Yes, students, if you look to this diagram, what is the length of the wave? 1.3 meter. And how much wavelength are there in 1.3 meter length? Now let's see, this is one complete wavelength. From here to here, this is one complete wavelength. So this is one complete wavelength. Plus this one is what? Half wavelength. So one complete wavelength plus half wavelength is the total length. So L equal to one complete wavelength lambda plus the other one is half wavelength. So for half wavelength we write 1 divided by 2 lambda. So lambda plus 1 divided by 2 lambda, by calculating this we will get L is equal to 3 divided by 2 lambda. Clear? Now from this we can calculate lambda is equal to 2L divided by 3. Lambda equal to 2L divided by 3. What is the value of L? Simply put the value of L here. 2, let me solve here, multiplied by what is L? L is 1.3 meters. So 2 multiplied by 1.3 divided by 3. 2 multiplied 1.3 divided by 3. Very simply we can calculate this, and we get the value of lambda is equal to 0.866 meter. So lambda equal to 0.866 meter. One thing. Now this is the value of lambda 0.866 meter. How can we calculate the speed? Very simply, lambda is calculated here and the frequency is given. So speed will be equal to V equal to if lambda Simply putting values here, what is the value of f? The value of f is 500 hertz. So 500 multiplied by 0.866. So V is equal to 500 multiplied by 0.866. So V is equal to 433 meter per second. 433 meter per second. So these two things are required when we calculate these two very simply. Let me summarize it briefly. Dear student, we are given that the length of a string of a guitar is how much? 1.3 meter. If we play a note and a tone is produced and there are 4 notes. In 4 notes there is one complete wavelength, one complete lambda, and the other is half lambda. So we can calculate the value of lambda very simply. The total length will be equal to lambda plus 1 divided by 2 lambda. This one is lambda plus this is half lambda. So it is equal to 3 divided by 2 lambda. Simply putting the values for lambda, we will solve this equation. Lambda equal to 2 L divided by 3. Now putting the value of L, which is 1.3, and calculate this, we get the value of lambda. Wavelength is equal to 0.866 meter. Similarly, we know that V equal to F lambda. This is the formula for speed. So V equal to 500 multiplied by 0.866. Simply by multiplying these two, we get V equal to 433 meter per second. This is all about question number 4. Now we can solve question number 5 very simply as in question number 5, it is stated that a tension of 400 Newton causes a 300 gram wire of length 1.6 meter to vibrate. Here is the tension of 400 Newton. T is given. Mass of the length of string is given, which is 300 gram. Length of string is 1.6 meter. Mass of the string is 300 gram. And frequency is 40 hertz. What is the wavelength of transfer waves? So we have to calculate the wavelength very simply. First of all, we have to collect the data from the given statement. Question number 5. Given data. What is given? A tension of 400 Newton. So T, tension in the string is given, which is equal to how much? 400 Newton. A tension of 400 Newton causes a 300 gram wire. Mass is given, which is equal to how much? 300 gram. Or if we convert this into kilogram, so we will get 0.3 kg. 300 divided by 1000, we will get 0.3 kg. Wire of length 1.6 meter. Length of the wire is also given, which is equal to 1.6 meter. Vibrate with a frequency of 40 hertz. Fourth thing, the frequency is also given, which is 40 hertz. What we have to calculate? What is the wavelength of transfer wave? So we have to calculate the wavelength required. What is required? Wavelength. Wavelength of the wave is to be calculated. Dear student, we have frequency and we have this data. So there is no velocity in this question. To calculate the wavelength, first of all we have to calculate the velocity. So how can we calculate the velocity? Solution. First we have to calculate the velocity. is velocity is given by a formula. Velocity of sound is given by a formula. V is equal to under the root. This is under the root tension in the string multiplied by length of the string divided by what? Mass of the string. So putting the values here.